Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class we will discuss about adding two numbers represented in a given linked list. So the explanation is completely based on the assumption you already have some basic coding knowledge. If you are not good at basic coding, please watch our website learningmonkey.in. Take the course placement training for service based companies, then come for the competitive coding. Coming to today's class, so given two decimal numbers represented in two linked lists, the task is to return a linked list that represents sum of the two numbers. With example we are going to understand better. The input is giving two linked lists L1 and L2. The number represented in the linked list 131 represented as 1 in one node, 3 in another node, 1 in the other node. That is how the number is represented in the linked list. Second number is 232. We need to display an output of addition of these two numbers, which is 363. That is what we have to display. So coming to one more example, the second example, 125. Second list is 25. 125 plus 25, which is 150. That is what the output you have to provide. So coming to linked list, the problem with linked list here is it is very simple if it is given in arrays. But here what's the complexity here is this is a single linked list. If it is a single linked list, 131 we have to add from the end 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 1 plus 2. We have to come from here to back. But in single linked list, if you come here, we don't have the address of the previous node. We don't have the address of the previous node. So that's why, but you have to solve it in the order of n times. N means number of digits in the maximum number. 131, 232. Here maximum, both are same. Both are having same number of digits. That's why n comma m means here maximum is 3. And the space complexity is order of 1. You should not use extra space. How to do that? We cannot go back. This is the point you have to understand when you are solving linked list problems. If this is the case, we were going to solve this in two ways. The first way is 125, 235. Reverse the linked list. So when you reverse the linked list, 521, 532. Now move on the linked list step by step and keeps on adding. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 place it here, 1, move forward. You have to move forward. 5 plus 5, 10. From that you have to take out the 0. From that you have to take out the 1. 1 should be forwarded to the next node and 0 should be placed in a new node and make a new list. That is what you have to do. How to do the 10, how to separate the digits in the 10. This simple coding we already discussed in our basic placement course. That's why we are not explaining all those logics again. So this is one way to add. Reverse the linked list, add one by one. If carry, then forward, create new list. Each time when you add it, create a new list. This is one way. Second way is also important. We are going to show program for this. The first way, our suggestion is to try to solve it on your own. The second way. Second way is also important in linked list. See, 125, 45. So whenever there is 125, how many digits are there? 3 digits. Here 2 digits. Take the minimum one, add zeros, leading zeros to the list with minimum digits. Means 125 adding 045. 45 is written as 045. Now see, from here to here, here to here, here to last. This is the last node, none. We have to move and keeps on adding back. How we can do this? Using recursive function call. That is what the use of recursive function call. Recursive function call works based on the implementation of stack. These points we discussed when we discussed data structures. So use recursive function call. Recursively call the function. Function calling next node as the function. Function calling next node as the function. Whenever you see none, from now onwards keeps on adding these two values and return the carry value to the back. and add this to and carry, return back the carry. If it is there, return back the carry, otherwise 0 should be returned. So using recursive function calls also you can solve this example. So you try to solve it on your own. This second example, we are going to provide the code for the first logic. So our suggestion is try to solve both the codings on your own, then check for the solution. You listen to logic. Good way is to practice on your own. Now coming to the coding part, the coding is available in our website. You can copy the code and you can execute it. So this is the code. Hope you understand this example. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.